For this project, you are going to use all the things that you identified on your sheet as the important traits of your personality, and you're going to find pictures that go along with some of those traits. So we're going to try to use different illustrations or drawings instead of using words. A great example is if your favorite candy is Skittles, maybe you'll find a picture of what the Skittles wrapper would look like. And here's a great example right here. This person went online and found a great picture of what Skittles would look like, and then she either used that picture to draw from or she traced it right on her poster. Another great example is if you are a Hawkeye fan, rather than writing the word Hawkeyes, you can find a picture or an image that go along with it. She found a great example over here of the Hawkeye symbol right here, and it looks really, really good. I'm assuming that she probably traced that based on a picture that she printed out. You are going to find many different pictures online, and I'm going to give you time to do that today. One easy way to go about that is to go to Google. You know how to get there online. What I think is the easiest to do is I like to snap my one window to the left or to the right. And what you could do is use your tiny little window key on your keyboard. And if I hold that down and then use my left arrow, then that'll snap to the left. I've opened up a Word document over here, and I'm going to click on it. Then again, I'm going to use my window key, that little button on your keyboard, and I'm going to click on that one and then click on the right arrow, and then it snaps it to the right. Now I have two full screens open so that you can see everything. Once I go ahead and decide what I'm going to search for, I'll go over to the Google page, and let's say that my favorite food is an apple. I'll type in apple. Unfortunately, even if you spell it wrong, Google is pretty good at helping me out here. And I'm going to click on images. You're not going to be cutting these out and gluing these to your paper. You're going to use these images in order to either trace or to draw from. So as I'm looking at these apples, I'm looking at one that would be easy to draw and something that would look good on my paper. I love the way this one looks. So I'm going to click on it, and I will go over to, with my mouse, take a right click, copy, go over to my Word document, right click, paste. All right, so it's ginormous here. So I'm going to actually go to my corner, and I can resize that apple to be whatever size that I want it to be. And if I want to be able to see exactly how big that apple is in relation to my paper, I might scale down my paper. So I have this apple, and you want to use different variety of sizes of shapes of things on your paper. So I might take that apple and make it larger or smaller based on how big that I want it. So let's say I have my apple, and then I can go back over here to Google and I can add more images on here. You can fill up as many pages as you need, and we will print those out at the end of class.